So, this is the second part of this unboxing or first impression. I usually do these two different parts where I initially unbox the device and see what kind of things that you usually get with accessories and such, and then I do like a first impression on this on the device I have bought. And as you can see, the Stream Deck is connected. And I also do want to make a direct comparison because this is the old Stream Deck that I have, and I will not be using this one anymore. I am actually quite happy, because if you have never seen the Mark 1 before, you will notice that it's very much hardwired into the PCB, which I never liked, and I am actually really happy that that you can choose which length cable you want. Just plug it out and reconnect, uh, because it makes it a lot more flexible, and so I'm really happy. So this was the first thing that I noticed when I got the XL version. I'm really happy that it exists. So I've set up how much battery I have, my wavelength stuff. I will be having a video on that as well on the Wave XLR because I did get it replaced. And you can see I have like my Proton stuff set up already for resizing and such. So this is a huge step up going from fully wired, hardwired into the PCB, and being able to change the USB cable. And the one other big thing that I initially noticed was the buttons. The buttons are so much better on um, the new and improved Mark II versions, or the XL one, because it feels very not clicky, but um it feels a lot more smooth just pressing these buttons compared to the old one. And one other major thing I notice is the stand is also very much improved, because you can actually detach the stand, and how do you do it now? So yeah, the Stream Deck would be here. As you can see, I had it cleaned before, but yeah, this is how you would set it up, right? Ooh, yeah, so you can change it to like this if you want. Oh, like this if you wanted to, or like this, or like this. There are like 4 settings that you can choose between. So yeah, I because whenever because the new stand feels a lot more sturdy. If I press here, it's not gonna move. With this, if I would press the bottom ones, I think it would definitely move back a lot more. It's not as sturdy, so I'm really happy with the upgrade. I think the Stream Deck, the big one, it doesn't feel it's if you compare the size, sure it's a bit bigger, but of course this one has a lot more buttons, so of course it's gonna be a bit bigger. I did want the upgrade. I think it's a good one. This is a really good size. That's what she said. No, but yeah. So it's everything just feels a lot better with this one. Uh, I honestly don't think it matters for me personally that you can adjust it like this, and me not being able to do it now, because I just wanted to have it in one position at all times. I think that's what she said. But yeah, so those were my initial thoughts about this little bad boy. Um, yeah, that's all I have for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you think about this one, or the upgraded ones, if you have the ones with the dials, because I'm planning on getting one as well. So yeah, please leave a comment, like, and please subscribe as well. Have a good one.